Good afternoon, Dave Snyder here. It is the 30th day of June 2015, and it looks like the weather's getting a bit serious, doesn't it? Oh, wow, how interesting is it today? Schrodinger. Big, beautiful curve. I mean, look at this pattern right here. You can see this big circle that I pointed out before. This is just like half of the United States or North America, United States, I guess. You see the big, beautiful circular pattern, which is the same size circular pattern you'll see all over the planet Earth. Right here's one, right there's one, Antarctica is one, there's one. But that's pretty nice. It's really interesting because today it's like 105 in California where I am right now. It's pretty warm. Had to turn off the fan to make the video, so it's even a little bit warmer. Found out today, I guess they passed a new tax on water in California. If you buy bottled water, they're charging like 5 cents an ounce. I don't know. That could be, you know, wrong information, but that's kind of a lot. That's buy a 16-ounce bottle of water. That's 16 times 5. That can't be right. That just cannot be right. It's more than more than the bottle of water itself, isn't it? It's almost like $2. 20 nickels would be 20 ounces would be $2. No, it'd be $1. That's right. Okay, sorry. Still $1 for a 20-ounce bottle just for the tax. If it's from California, if the water's from California, so I guess other states are going to be able to make a lot of money off us pretty soon. That's what it seems like. Sell it to them desperate Californians. They need it. They want it. Gotta have it. Take advantage of their misfortune. So start bottling that water up because we need it. We'll buy it. Here you go. Nice pattern there, anyways. Just wanted to point that out. Something else. That is intense. I'm trying to think of what I could do something with this right now. I know I could. I could put this inside of a. Wow, look at that. That's a big old Schrodinger print there. That's pretty large. Showing itself really large today. Right here. Which it always kind of does when it does this up in the north, up here in North America. When you see Schrodinger up here, which is kind of like only around this time of year, I think. You don't see it up here that often. You see it up here, but right here, very, very interesting. Let's save the picture. Let's let it settle for a second. I gotta save it anyway, so. Very interesting weather today. Action-packed weather. Okay, so let's close that and just take a look real quick what else is going on the planet here. Look at those spots. Those are pretty intense. What do we got here? Didn't I show that the other day? I think I did. Something to do with that. And this curve. And Schrodinger somewhere over here. Didn't I show that? Wasn't that right here? I don't know. Wow. Whoa, cool. I'd love to see what the weather's like over Antarctica with this kind of color. I'd like to see right over directly from straight down over Antarctica. You would see some serious patterns that would tell you right off the bat that there's a whole another force of nature taking place on this planet Earth that you're not aware of. Not that you need to be aware of it, but it's nice to be. Like I said, don't be scared. Be prepared. That's my new saying. Don't be scared, just be prepared. I'm not trying to pump fear into nobody. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of anything. It doesn't scare me. It just worries. Things worry me sometimes, like the way things are going, everything else. But nature doesn't scare me. Nature don't worry me either. The drought, that's a little worrisome, but I think we'll get through it sooner or later. I mean, there's no sense of being scared. Just you just gotta, be concerned. So let's try to put that somewhere. I think I can just put it into the. I gotta turn that fan on pretty soon. Come on. Let's. There you go. Well, I'm gonna put it right there. I think. You know what? It's going to end up right there anyway when I align it to where I usually line it. But you see the circular pattern right there? I'm just going to try and do it right here over the ocean floor because it originates down here. The continent does. People think it's crazy, this stuff I show and this things I say, but I'm telling you, I understand it. I can understand it, no problem. I mean, it makes total sense to me. Total sense. I don't know which one of these is backwards, I wonder. Open with. Is that one backwards? Yep. Okay. Choose that one. Oh, not that. What am I doing? I need action packed. Yeah, it is warm. Warm, warm, warm. My computer's starting to affect my computer a little bit because it's like 100, probably 105 where I'm sitting right now. Go somewhere right in there. See the sweep? See that sweep right there? That's the same thing right there. See that? How it's got that little line in the center? And it sweeps up? That's the same thing. You always got to watch for that sweep when you're doing alignment in this area. You want to watch for that. That's pretty close. There's their point in Australia. See that? It goes right in here somewhere. You've seen my alignment before that I've done here, possibly. So I'll just leave it there. It's a little out of shape, a little weird shape, but it's then I'm going to bring up. See the circular pattern? How it fits in? This circle fits inside this circle here. See, there's a circle there. Absolutely is. So let's bring up Aiken Basin, the big one, Apollo, all that stuff. See, this is a really crappy picture. I wish it only fits a few images that I have very, very well. So let's just do something else with something else here, Mare Oriental or something. Whew. That's going to show up there. Show something up there maybe. It's got the Great Lakes right there where that crater is, which is good. That's right. Let's just see there. It's probably lunar south pole. That's Schrodinger there. I got Schrodinger. Schrodinger's a little make North America bigger in this one. God, my computer's feeling the heat. I gotta stop. Let's just do this real quick. I'll bring that picture to the top. And I'll just align it to the lunar south pole over here. This part. Of course, I'll have to make it bigger, but it's gotta go there. I know North America's not that big. I got this stuff all too big, but it's alright. I don't know how that's going to align in there. Whoa, that's different. Holy shit, I've never seen that one before. Look at that one. Watch this area. See this two circle? Watch. Oh, wow. Interesting as hell. Shows you how the continents have been. I'm telling you, the weather is a beautiful thing. It tells you so much. Look at that. That's totally different than I've ever seen it like that. Never seen it that lunar south pole pattern upside down like that. Never. Not that I could ever remember, but you see it, right? You see the pattern. I mean, it's there. You see this. I aligned that. That's all I did was align that, and you can see the curve right here, the curve in the weather. And we could even see some of these craters here, in this area here. Wow. Those ones are neat. That's cool. I've never seen that there before. I don't remember. I don't think I ever have. My computer is totally jammed. Look at that. Two circular patterns there. Look. That's pretty cool. It's usually the other way around. I'm telling you, Schrodinger's usually here, and these are over on the other side. That's pretty crazy. So what's that got? What's that telling us? The moon's still steering the weather, or how is that doing that? I'm telling you, it's usually the other way. That is really strange. Let's turn it this way and see what happens. Let's take a look at it this way. I've never seen it like that before. Never. But we do today. Have a great day.